This is how you're going to upload multiple files on Etsy. So first step is you're going to head over to Etsy.com, and then from here, you're going to click on the sign in or the sign up button at the top of your page, which is usually found right here at your account. And then once you're logged in with your login credentials, you're going to head over to the shop manager, which you can find just right beside your profile. You're going to click on shop manager and then click on listings. Now you're going to select your listing or you're going to create one. Scroll to the digital file section and then click on upload file. You can select up to 5 files, which is Etsy's limit for per listing, and then you're going to have to wait until all upload bars are finished. After that, you're going to click save or publish. Now for physical listings, for photos, you're going to just scroll to the photo section of your listing and then click on add photos, select multiple images using control or command, and then click plus. You're going to rearrange by dragging thumbnails and then just click on publish to save. It's just basically the same method, but it may be a separate step for each. And then that's it. That is how you're going to upload multiple files on Etsy. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.